Hi guys, nice to meet you. My name is Camila. I'm from Brazil and I'm an intern in the School of Languages of Comfama. And today I'm here to share my experience with you because Portuguese is my mother tongue and English is my second language. And I want to share how I could improve my English using songs. So let's see. This is my computer and you can do the same in your house, okay? So, first of all, you're gonna type on YouTube your favorite song. So, for example, I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing. That's one of my favorite songs, and it's from Aerosmith. So, pay attention to this part of the song. Can you see that this is the video clip, which is very nice, but we can't see the singer? So, what I do is I type on YouTube, I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing, Boys Avenue. This is a band that they are 10 years on YouTube recording covers. So, the same song, but in a cover and acoustic version.
I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss.
Can you see the difference? So in the first one, you couldn't see the singer. Now you see the singer. You see how he moves his mouth, so it's much easier to learn and to understand more the lyrics, right? Another thing that I do is I type on YouTube the same song with cover. So for example, on a cover like Boys Avenue, but with the lyrics. So when you have the lyrics, it's much easier. So look.
I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe.
See, so in this way you can sing along. While the song is playing, you can sing. And the last part, and this is a challenge for you, is you open the website Lyrics Training and you're gonna open this. For example, you put your favorite song and you're going to do the exercise. So this is a very nice way to improve your English. So please do it as a challenge with your favorite song. So thank you very much and see you soon. Bye!